Hello everyone, my name is Manisha Nabakar. Today's date is 24 March 2022 and today's video topic is a linked hash map in Java. The linked hash map class is just like a hash map is an additional feature of maintaining an order of element inserted into hash map provided the advantages to quick insertion, search and deletion, but is never maintain the track and order of insertion. The link hash map provides where the elements can be assigned in their insertion. Important feature of a link hash map are listed as below. A link hash map contains value based on the key. It's implement the map interface and extend the hash map class. It contains only unique element. It may have one null key and multiple null values. It is non-synchronized. It is the same as hash map with an additional feature that is maintain insertion order. For example, when we run the code with a hash map, we get a different order of element. Uh, Syntax of a linked hash map, public class link hash map, keys value extend hash map keys value implement. Uh, Here key is the object type and v is the value object type. K is the type of keys in a map. V is the type of value map in a map. It implements map keys value interface and extend hash map keys value class. Though the hierarchy of link hash map is depicted in below media as below. Shorted map, linked hash map, map, tree map, hash map, extend hash map, the map hierarchy in Java. Uh, in link hash map is an extension of a hash map class and implement the map interface. Therefore, the class is declared as a public class link hash map. Uh, in the before key value after. In this class, the data is stored in the form of nodes. The implementation of the link hash map is very similar to a doubly linked list. Therefore, each node first before key value after hash. All the input keys are converted into hash, which is the shorted form of the keys, so that the search and insertion are faster. Since this class extend hash map the data stored in the form of key value pair. Therefore, this parameter is to key the data. Second is the value. For every key, there is a value associated with it. This parameter stores the value of the keys due to generics. This value can be of any form. Next is since the link hash map stores the insertion order, this contains the address to the next node of the link hash map. Link hash map. Next one is the previous. This parameter contains the address to the previous node of the link hash map. Uh, Next, synchronize the link hash map. The implementation of link hash map not synchronize. If multiple thread access the link hash map concurrently and at least one of the thread modifies the map structurally, it must be synchronized externally. This is a typically on complex by synchronizing on some object that naturally encapsulates the map. If no such object exists, the map should be wrapped using collection synchronized map. Methods of link hash map. Constructor of link hash map. A link hash map. This is used to construct a default link hash map constructor. Second is the link hash map in capacity. It is used to initialize a particular link hash map with a specified capacity. Uh, Last one is a link hash map in integer capacity float field ratio. It is used to initialize both the capacity and field ratio of link hash map. Fifth one is the link hash map in integer capacity float field ratio Boolean order. The construct is also used to put value. Methods of a link hash map contain value object entry set method contain value object contain value method entry set method get method key set method remove method values method contain key method. That's it. Thank you.